Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to view your events analytics on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to sign into your account and go to where you have your image, your profile image, and click on it. Then click on my invitations. It should bring you to a page like this, and from here you can actually view or see all your invites, the ones you've created and the ones you've been invited to. So from here you can just click on manage events to actually view everything for your events. So this is your analytics page where you can add a whole lot of things. You can send a thank you card, you can support a school or charity, add a college fund, add a poll, use the drink calculator, add a wish list and what to bring list. You can also add any of all these to prepare for your event. You can also add guest, send message, or even check add it to your calendar or the okay rather this is the guest option area where you can check the total amount of people you can add at a time or the guest list. So once you do that, you can also come here and share the link and generally have an overview of every part of this particular event you want to host. So once you are done, you can go back set it and then share your link to the people you need to share them to. So if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. I'll see you guys in the next one.